Da-da, 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 da-da. Let's find the diamond. Hello friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and now it is time once again to unbox the Cache Crate. Oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite times of the month. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Every month, Lisa from Cache Advance sends me and many others geocaching stuff in a lovely little box, and I monthly get to open it in front of you so you can see what it's like. So I've been getting the Cache Crate for some time now, and what I really love about it is that I seem to never run out of geocaching stuff. I never run out of trackables. I never run out of logbooks. I am a fully equipped geocacher because of the Cache Crate. Oh, ooh, red tissue paper this month. All right, you're gonna get to find out what's in it before me. All right, here we go. Ah, did you catch that? Okay, the first thing we've got a little bit of jewelry. Oh yeah, look at this. It is a bracelet that says the name of our favorite company in the world. That's fashion right there. So I could either wear that or I can put it in a geocache. It would be fantastic swag. Ouch. Oh, I was wondering if this was gonna happen. So many of you guys may know right now, Geocaching HQ is doing an incredible promotion called Mystery at the Museum. It is a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun finding clues and finding jewels. But as a part of it, the jewels have been stolen from the Teague Ulmer Museum. There's the patch. So, a little history. Dave Ulmer is the one that hid the very first geocache stash. And I think Mike Teague is the person that found it. So the fictional museum is called the Teague Ulmer Museum. I love it. Great patch. So this could be like two fashion things if you put this on your clothes. Speaking of fashion, look at my new geocaching shirt. This is from Frida Reist. You guys remember Frida Reist? Thanks for the shirt, Frida Reist. We not only have one bracelet, but we have another bracelet. So we got a green one and we have a blue one. Fashion, fashion, fashion. Wow. All right, I found the featured item inside. It is a Mystery at the Museum geocoin that includes a trackable tag. So that is the back of it, Mystery at the Museum. Check out the front. That is a lot of bling right there. I think I won. I think I won the real diamond. Oh, what a beautiful coin. Let's face it, not a lot of people are gonna wanna put this out in the wild. I mean, look, there's a precious jewel on there. As we know with Mystery at the Museum, people are stealing jewels. So with it comes a Mystery at the Museum trackable tag. And fun fact, these have different tracking numbers. So these are not even associated with each other. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, the most beautiful geocoin. And I also always get the add-on trackable as well. So included in here was another trackable, and it is I Heart Geocaching Travel Tag. I told you I'm never in short supply of trackables. So also in here, this is kind of a fun creative idea, some geocaching coupons. These are fun, 1 day of geocaching. Maybe I can give this to my boss at work and say, today I don't have to work because I have a free day of geocaching. So there you have it, a really good Cache Crate. We've got trackables, we got fashion, we got patch, and we got 3 free days of geocaching. If you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. You can subscribe there. You can cancel anytime. Guys, give it a try. It's a lot of fun. I always say it's like a geocaching celebration every single month delivered right to your mailbox. So as a part of the Mystery at the Museum promotion, you have to find clues and you have to find jewels that were stolen. And I'm still in the jewel process. I still need to find some jewels. So let's go find a geocache that has a diamond in it. Okay, I'm at the park and I am looking to pick up a diamond. A diamond's been stolen. Literally right here, the geocaching app tells me that there is a diamond in this geocache. And it is also a perfect place for me to drop off the Mystery at the Museum trackable. I activated it and I put my little patch right on the trackable. The goal of this trackable is to visit as many museums as possible. I feel like I need to play some detective or mystery music. I'm gonna hum it because I don't want to get a copyright strike on this video. Are you ready? Da-dun, 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 da-dun. I am at Ground Zero. Ground Zero is putting me here at this park sign. I have no idea what size I'm looking for. All I know is that this is supposed to be a pretty awesome cache. Could it possibly be hidden under one of these bricks? Nope. These things are not moving. That is not the geocache. Oh look, there's a little bolt on here. I wonder if it's a fake bolt. Nope, that is solid as ever. Mystery not solved yet. It could be back in these woods back here. No, there's nothing hidden back in these woods. Sometimes you just need to try to move things around. Everything seems to be pretty solid. Wait a minute. Oh! Wait a minute. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's so good! Are you kidding me? Oh! Yes! Mystery solved, people. Mystery solved. I'm gonna put this away and I just want you to see how well this is put together. Those two things look exactly the same. Look, exactly the same. But this one, oh yeah, this one, hidden in plain sight. So well done. So I just want to say, way to go, LZ Scout. LZ Scout was the one that hid this fantastic geocache. It deserves a big favorite point. And the great thing is the cache is big enough for me to put my trackable in.